Guys, let's make the stew. This is the oil I used to fry the meat I will use on this stew. So I will add some salt. I will add in the onion. So fry it a little. Okay guys, the onions is already fried. So it's time to add, before I add the tomatoes, I will add curry. This is curry. We'll add 1 spoon of curry. Turn it together. So here is 18 tomatoes, pepper and onions. Then get mixed together. Okay. So here is the fresh tomatoes. The multi tomatoes. I will add it. Put it together. So guys, we're going to be adding 1 Maggi. We already add salt. So after every effort we test it. Turn it together. After turning it, cover it to the cooking. Load the gas. Okay guys, you can see the stew. It's cooking very well. I load down the gas. If I don't load down the gas, it will be bouncy every day. To add the meat, this is if you cook, and I will also add the chicken. Even this chicken, even if you cook it, if you don't scatter. So I want everything to soak inside. Add the chicken. We leave the fish first. Let them be cooking together, guys. Okay, guys. You can see it. This stew is very yummy, guys. So we add the meat stock inside. Mix it together. Turn it a little. Mix it. So I will add the fish inside now. The fish will go in. This is it. Turn it. Turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it. Let everything marry yourself very well. Cover it to cook. Okay guys, our stew is already done, you can see. So I will be adding this pomo. So I don't want the pomo to cook down. Let's boil it. So we'll give it like a minute to bring it. We'll add the liver and put it together. It's very long, very sweet. It's time to add the vegetable. As you can see. So I use hot water to wash it. Leave it like 40 seconds. Okay guys, our stew is ready. It's ready. You see? This is. Oh. So now the rest of what I chop on this. Thumbs up.